Hi everyone, welcome to Organic Creations. I hope you all are doing fine today. So today we are going to be making a perfume here. I'm just going to be showing you how we are making the perfume. Now for those who would wish to learn the advanced technique of how to select your notes, the top note, the middle note, the base note, you all can definitely join the workshops for that, but I will be showing you how we are going to be making the perfume. Here I have taken my ethanol. I have already weighed it out here and kept. Now I'm going to go ahead and start adding my fragrances to this. We are going to be using 3 different notes, top, middle and the base note. So I have already gone ahead and taken my blend of notes. This is my base note, which the blend is already done. So I'm just going ahead and mixing this well, so that once we go ahead and add it to our ethanol, we cannot go ahead and mix it a lot, otherwise all the fragrances will get mixed into each other and it will not give a good fragrance. So I have gone ahead and added my base note here, and I will just give it a gentle shake. Now the next thing what I'm going to go ahead and add here is my middle note. I'm just mixing all the blend of middle notes that I have here, and this perfume is for a male person whom I'm making it for. So it has more of a musky, more of a woody fragrance, a little bit stronger, less, it has floral notes as well, but more of musky woody notes. And we'll just give this a gentle mix so that the notes don't get too much mixed into each other. And here finally we have our top note, and we'll go ahead and add that to the mixture. And I'll just give this a gentle shake here, no mixing. If you want, you can also give just one speed blend, but I'm not going to be doing that. I will leave it as it is. I am also going to go ahead and add a very small amount of water to this, because water also helps to retain the fragrance for a longer time in your perfume. So I've added a very small amount of it and given it a mix, and I have gone ahead and added my ethyl hexyl glycerin. Again, this is one ingredient which helps a lot with like a fixative, so that your fragrances stay in the perfume for a very long time, and it stays on your body basically for a very long time. These perfumes stay for almost around 12 to 14 hours. You will still get that very nice fragrance lingering from your clothes, just like the ones that you get out in the market. Okay, so now what I'll do is I'll just go ahead and give this a very light color. I'm using a blue here, and I'm just going to give it just a tinge of blue. This is also too much. Okay, so this is it, just a tinge of blue, and if you see, the moment I touched that, the entire solution has got the color. So even a little bit of color is too much for this. I'll just give it a nice shake here. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and put this in my bottle here. And we will just go ahead and close our bottle. And this is how the perfume looks, and I will just go ahead and open this and spray it a little. And this has an awesome fragrance. It has a lovely fragrance. Now whenever you'll make perfumes, always make sure that you're not using it immediately. It takes time for all the notes to blend in very well. So always use the product only after 48 hours for best results. And if you like what I'm sharing with you all, if you all want me to share much different variations with you all, please do like, subscribe and share my channel with your friends as well. Thank you everyone.